Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue learning Chinese characters for body parts. In this series, we'll focus on the basic ones that describe different parts of our body. In ancient oracle bone script, there was a symbol pronounced mu. Take a closer look. Doesn't it look a lot like an eye? You can almost imagine someone thousands of years ago carving a simple drawing of an eye onto a piece of bone or turtle shell. And you're absolutely right, this ancient symbol represents the meaning of eye. Over the course of many centuries, this simple pictograph slowly evolved through different script styles, from oracle bone inscriptions to bronze inscriptions to small seal script, and finally into the modern standard form we use today. Even though the shape has changed, the meaning has remained surprisingly consistent. Today, this character is still pronounced mu, and it still means eye. Interestingly, mu doesn't only appear in the literal sense. It can also express a target, a goal, or something someone aims for, like the idea of keeping your eyes focused on an objective. Because of that, it appears in many commonly used words in modern Chinese, such as 目光 means gaze, look, the way someone looks at something. 目的 means purpose, goal, the aim behind an action. 目录 means catalog, table of contents, directory. 数目 means number, amount, quantity. When you look at these examples, you can notice how mu carries the idea of seeing, viewing, or focusing on something. Now let's practice reading it. Mu, mu, mu. The character mu is an independent character with a total of 5 strokes, 1 vertical stroke, 1 horizontal fold stroke, and 3 horizontal strokes. Writing this character is very simple, but you need to pay attention to the stroke order. First, write a vertical stroke on the left side of the square grid. This vertical line decides the overall height of the character, so it shouldn't be too long or too short, and you should try to make it balanced. Then, starting from the top of that vertical stroke, draw a horizontal stroke that turns downwards, forming a shape that looks like an incomplete rectangle. After that, add 2 horizontal strokes inside the rectangle. These 2 lines should be spaced evenly, not too close together, and not too close to the top or bottom. Finally, add a short horizontal stroke at the bottom to close the rectangle. Do you remember the character zhi, the character for sun, that we learned before? Zhi and mu look almost like twins at first glance, and beginners often confuse them. The key difference is simple. Zhi has only 1 horizontal stroke inside, while mu has 2. This extra stroke changes the meaning completely. The character mu is also a very common radical in Chinese. When it's used as a radical, it usually appears on the left side of a character, and sometimes at the bottom. Characters that include this radical often have meanings related to the eyes, vision, watching, noticing, observing, or anything connected to visual perception. For example, ding means to stare at or to fix one's eyes on something. Deng means to glare or to stare angrily. Mian means to sleep, referring to closing one's eyes. Mei means eyebrow, which sits just above the eye. All of these characters visually trace their structure back to mu, and their meanings are closely tied to the idea of eyes or seeing. Understanding this radical really helps you guess the meaning of many complex characters, even before you learn them formally. One more thing that often surprises learners, even though mu means eye, modern Chinese doesn't actually use this character alone to refer to the human eyes in daily conversation. Instead, the word we use is 眼睛. And if you look closely, you'll notice that both characters and 眼睛 contain the mu radical. So in a way, the idea of eye is still there, just hidden inside the structure of the word. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.